In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear YouTube cache on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap General. On the next screen, tap iPhone Storage. On the next screen, scroll down and you will find list of apps installed on your iPhone. Just locate YouTube app and tap to open. Here tap Offload app. This will free up storage used by YouTube app but keep its data and documents. Now tap Reinstall app. This will download and install fresh version of YouTube app. Note that reinstalling the app will restore your data. This will not remove cache completely. However, it can help you free up some storage space on your iPhone. So that is how you can clear YouTube cache on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.